Hello friends, Windrila from Moorpunk Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. I'm just getting a little late on the videos. I'm so sorry because there are a lot of other activities which are going on, like people coming who could not come for our exhibition. They are coming and they are just dropping by. So definitely I have to give them, my time before I can actually do the video. But I'm really apologetic because by this time many people have asked about it and I could not. But anyway, today let's be quick. So these are some three of these bomkai saris, cotton Orissa handloom cotton bomkai saris from Orissa with hand block print. This one is hand block and there are two others which are with painting. So how are these? Just have a look. So this is a brilliant color, turquoise blue palla bomkai sari. See how pretty. See this palla, gorgeous one, absolute gorgeous one. So the sari would come like this. This is the palla, this is the palla. Everybody loves wearing bomkai and bomkais are one must have for the summers. So and that is the border. So the border is very neat, and this especially this ikat squares are stunning. These ikat square patterns are stunning with this ikat temple woven, and this the whole body has this hand block print like this. The whole body has hand block print like this. So this chotu this weave have been just gone inside. So that's the whole sari. The whole sari has this kind of a look. It's with block print. Very pretty, neat and unique. So this is the combination. Lovely. You can wear it in for summers, for office work, for school, for any kind of official work, any kind of. This is the blouse piece I have teamed up. So that is the combination of the sari and the blouse. So that is the whole combination. So beautiful one and very nice cotton, absolutely very nice cotton. When you thick nice cotton, totally to your hugging to your body. And the price for this sari is 5250. So this is the bomkai with hand block, full body hand block bomkai. Again a beautiful, absolutely rich traditional maroon and beige color weaving. So this is the whole body. This is the palla. This is the very intricate and very beautiful bomkai palla. So this is so these are the jala weaving on the palla. This beautiful extra weft. Nothing is a print. If I can show you the back of the weaving, so nothing is a print. It's all in weaving and complete hand woven. So this is the painting. This is the painting in the sari. This is the painting in the sari. It resembles kalamkari because I have given a pen kalamkari blouse piece with this. So this painting resembles this pen kalamkari blouse piece with this. This is a chenyu silk, cotton by silk pen kalamkari blouse piece, and the painting resembles that. So when you wear the sari with this blouse, I think the get-up would be, see how pretty, how beautiful and how smart. So the whole sari has the floral layout like this, small flowers. So this is the upper border. This flower goes like this in the upper border, and the inside has this kind of floral pattern, floral vines like this. So all the flowers resembles the blouse piece. So this is another very pretty sari and soft and magnificent cotton. Orissa is all known for their brilliant weaves, and I just kudos to the state because the Orissa Day is also coming. Orissa Day on 1st April. In 1936, Orissa got independent from Bengal and Bihar. So 1st April is commemorated as Odisha Day. So that's Utkal Divas. So for that, you can have this sari. You can have one. Anybody who is interested can go for such pretty Bomkai sari with kalamkari. Our two-state concept of two states always continue. I mean, in the sense that is we glamorizes the weaves are already quite glamorized in themselves, and Modpong initiates to glamorize it further so that you have a confluence of the weave and the craft and something unique and exclusive for you. So this is the price of, and that's the painting. The price of this sari is 7250 with the blouse with pen kalamkari blouse piece. So this is the whole sari. It's very pretty. Mumkai is, that was little on the brown yellow ochre, deep yellow ochre shade. This is beige. This is another traditional, very traditional, Mumkai pattern. So this is in beige, and the floral painting is beautiful, lovely floral painting, and again resembling the inspired by the kalamkari. So in this, the blouse piece is green. So this is the blouse piece. It actually, the green blouse goes with this the green work on the green work largely on the palla. So the blouse piece is goods, and the flowers are all inspired in the body from this only. So see this, how beautiful, how beautiful. That's the painting part, painted part, hand painted all over, like is like this. So it's a full 1 meter pen kalamkari blouse with this. See how beautiful is the getup, so unique, absolutely unique. And 7250. Another extremely beautiful Bengal weave khadi sari, Bengal weave khadi sari with this mint green block, mint green all over body block with a hand painted palla. The hand painted palla is of the nature. It is beautiful flowers. The naturescape is like this. The flowers, it's completely a lotus pond look where there are storks flying up the lotus pond. So this is the one side of it, the other side. So this is the whole palla. This is the whole palla, and see this. Very beautiful painting. Just getting up, I mean, it just got absorbed in the fabric. So it's very nice. So that's the palla. The whole sari has this kind of a beautiful block. The border block is also exquisite, and how neat and how nicely. There is a silver selvage, the selvage border, and I mean silver selvage in the whole sari. So this is the whole sari, and absolutely ideal for summer wear. Beautiful summer wear. So that's the block, that is the body block. So now it is perfectly fine. See, it's perfectly the, how beautiful, how beautiful. And the palla, the blouse again comes like this with polka dots, with this polka dot block and this border. This is a border. So this is another magnificent beauty, and priced at 6500. 6500. So this is another very exquisite sari with, see how beautiful. See this, it's a boita, another Utkal Utkal Divas special, Odisha Day special sari. This is boita, this is the boat celebration. The they have this boita journey. The boita is the boat, so that signifies the travel. It signifies the travel from the during the ancient times. People used to travel in boats. People used to travel in exchange from one country, from one place to the other, for business, business purpose, for trading. So this is the boita. So this is a very very conventional, absolutely historic, motives they have. They weave this motive on Gopalpur tussar and various other, fabric. So this is hand painted, beautifully hand painted, and that is the border which I have given. So this is a Pattachitra style of painting. This is a complete Pattachitra style of painting. See the painting, how pretty. And this is the body of the sari. Lovely body of the sari, chocolate color, light chocolate shade, with this turquoise red and black border. Can you imagine how stunning the sari is looking? So that's the whole sari. Each creation is completely outstanding. Particular concepts, this particular concepts. So that's the palla, and that is the body of the sari. It's very pretty, and with this Madurai golden gold zari border, Madurai woven border, it's looking gorgeous. These are all celebration saris and very unique, and this is the blouse piece. So this blouse piece is this. It's a khand fabric blouse piece. So when you wear the sari with this blouse, it looks stunning. So this sari is priced at 7900, I guess. 7900. All the prices are included of shipping. Pattachitra style Ganesha again on Madurai cotton. I don't know how come this sari didn't get picked up from the exhibition, because if I had been there, I definitely wouldn't have left it. So this is something, and black color is just out of the world. This black color, see the sari, absolutely out of the world. So this is the Ganesha. It is a complete, see how pretty is the Ganesha painting. See how beautifully, intricately it is done. So this is the Ganesha, and this is the sari. So the border, see the border, black and gray holds so beautiful. So this is the two of the border layout. This is the border, this is the woven border. So this is the sari. Remarkable, just remarkable. And so I'm just doing the pleats. If you can see, this is the pleats, this is the palla, and this is a Pedna Kalamkari hand block blouse. This is again silk by cotton. This is Pedna Kalamkari hand block. Now Kalamkari are two styles. One is the Pedna one, which is in Machilipatnam district, and one is Srikalahasti district. So the two type of Kalamkaris are different. So this is the blouse piece. And so this blouse piece and the Ganesha goes so well. It's a yellow colored Ganesha, so that is the combination. 7900. It's a steel. This kind of painting, this concept, this kind of a pure handloom cotton sari, it's a steel. 7900. Pure Maheshwari sari, and there are 4 yarns into it. So there are 2 weft yarns, warp yarns. First of all, let me clear the warp yarns, which is a resham and a gold. So there are 2 warp yarns. Warp is like this, full length of the sari. Weft is this vertical length. So there are 2 cross yarns in this sari. So this is, can you see the gold embellishment? And so there are 4 ply yarns in this sari, and this is a Maheshwari weave. See the palla. It's again a naturescape. The palla painting is a naturescape. It's a very very beautiful fish. So this is a silk Maheshwari. See, this is the palla painting. Beautiful, lily pond kind of a get up, where this fish and lotus and the sun all are there. And the fabric is out of the world. See the softness and the grace of the fabric. So we have given a complete hand shading for the sari. So this is the blouse, this is the sari look of the sari. What I have done is that I have given us gold selvage, like this gold selvage. So there is a piping which is visible from outside. So this is the whole sari, where the lower border has this kind of a shading and this kind of painting on the lotus leaf and things. And the shading, just see the shading. It starts with a yellow, light lemon yellow, with the sea green. It goes down to mehendi green. So that is the complete shading. If you can see, it's beautiful, where this is the back of the blouse. This painting comes on the back of the blouse, and these are on the sleeves, small lotus on the sleeves. And we have given a peach brown selvage like this. So the whole sari has this kind of a getup. Extremely beautiful. And Morpunk is, anyway, I think by now you guys know that Morpunk is all about creative hand painting. So this sari is 10,900. 10,900. 10900. Pure silk chanderi, pure resham chanderi sari. Pure resham chanderi sari with hand painted getup. The sari is this, the color. The color is mesmerizing. This is the color, where we have given a block border like this. That's the palla, missing lines palla, as it is very traditionally woven. And then this is the painting. The whole down part is painted like this. The whole down part. The whole sari is painted with a pitchwai, pitchwai effect. The upper border has this lotus hand block. This is the block hand block border, and the lower part of the sari has this painting. So that is the whole painted part. So when you put it like this also, this painted part will come on your upper side, and this is your pleats. And the blouse area has this as the back portion with this hand woven border, hand block border. And this part has a little bit of in mehendi green, if I can explain. This is the blouse, this is the sleeves part. This is the sleeve side. This is the sleeve side with this kind of a leheria hand block, So until and unless you see from your own eyes, like in the sense, like, I mean, in front of, so you won't be, maybe you would be able to understand. But amazing color, not painted. So the price of this sari, 9450. 9450. 9450. In which there are 2-3 crafts involved. The sari has, the front part of the sari has this painting. This is the palla. Which is hand blocked, and it has a beautiful mehendi green, olive green hue. And this is the front part of the sari. So the sari has this complete hand painting, and the inside part is coming from hand block. So this is the pleats part. So this side is the pleat part. So the sari will look like this. So this pleat will come. The pleat has this, and this is the pallu, and this is the hand painted front part. So it's like this. This is the front, this is the back, and beautiful hand block. Very traditional Mughal Butta hand block with this kalamkari effect flowers. And see the border. The border is also so pretty, so pretty. This sari is teamed up with this blouse, this rust color blouse piece. This is an ajrak blouse piece which we have given with the sari. Beautiful one. And again, pure chanderi. Perfect for summer. 9450. 9450. Creations, where I have given this sari in the body in marble art, and the palla in painting, hand painting, This is a Pichwai painting, and the whole sari is in Venkatgiri cotton. And this part, the palla, is natural dye. This is naturally dyed. We have dyed this plain fabric in natural dye colors, then given the painting. See the painting. This is a Pichwai art. Pichwai art, lovely Pichwai art. Then this is the, you know, mm, body. Body is with marble art. Marble art is nothing but then there are little bit of chemicals which are applied and the colors are being dropped on that surface, and then the sari is being dipped, so that the fabric is being dipped so that the color flow, it is just giving out the color flow. See the sari, see the sari and the colors, see, stunning, it's just magnificent. Not many left, only 3 left of these combinations. So this is combination number 1, exclusive, very very beautiful. This is the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece, and the sari is priced at 6750, 6750. The second one in this, the second one in this, the second one in this is this. So where this is a natural dye part, the natural dye part in Venkatgiri cotton. So this is like the palla. Palla has a immensely beautiful kalamkari art inspired, hand painting. The body has this grey marble art, grey, shades of grey and black, shades of grey and black. Absolutely stunning, very very smart. My kind of color combination, my kind of color combination actually. So this is the pleats, beautiful marble art. This is the palla, and the blouse is like this, so beautiful. The blouse piece has a different kind of a color effect, and see, the combination of the blouse and the painting goes so well because we have actually designed it like that. 6750, 6750. And this is another sari which has this indigo dye on the pallu, and then it's a Gond art. Stunning piece, stunning painting. Let me go closer. See the painting on the palla. Beautiful Gond art. See, beautiful Gond art. Absolutely very nice. So this is the and the border blue. See the border color. What to say about these saris? I feel like wearing each of them. That's somehow I'm into it, and now I know that I cannot just have every of them. So it's like this, and see, it's like the softness, soft, cool, summery, breezy. What kind of adjectives I should add more? So ye hai palla, ye hai body. A lot of people ask me to speak in Hindi. Well, that's like that's the toughest one in my life. I can design 100,000 saris, but speaking the whole video in Hindi would be like suicidal. After that, I really don't know what people will think about me. So anyway, so this is the uh, blouse part. This is the blouse part. So this is the combination. I can speak in Bangla though. So that's the combination. 6750. So I'm finishing, no, the last of this this sari. This is a Pundoru Khadi. It's a brilliant Pundoru Khadi sari, and Pundoru Khadi, everybody knows how difficult and laborious the craft is to weave such a 3 shuttle, of the temple border sari. So this is another Orissa inspired Pattachitra art sari. Pattachitra art sari. See, this is it. See the main motive. See the main motives of Lord Jagannath, Balram, and Subhadra. So that is the whole sari. So we have this stunning border. all along the sari. So, and see, it's like airy, breezy, porous, hand spun, hand woven. Such a stunning sari, such a stunning sari. So both the borders would look like this: upper and lower border, upper and lower border, and this is the blouse. The blouse has also this painting running through. Okay, so we finished this video with this hand painted forum, and there are many other in Tasar cotton and all that. So I'll show those saris in another video. Thank you so much.